It's awful day.
Hello there, Jacek. What we are gonna do?
Well, it's been half day of working with this piece of sheet, and now we are working with this piece of sheet. So there, as you can see, there's a metal here. So yeah, this is nice. There's no rust in here. So few more wells in here, and we are basically done with this sheet on this side, and we are going to the other side. But this is something that will be done at some point, but we are already finished. But as you know, it's been polished, and right now it was a pretty tough thing to mount this grill, and so-called in Polish we call this chicken catcher. So yeah, chicken catcher has been down, and let's get back to this piece of sheet.
So we started assembling the interior and installing the new radio. Miata has new radio. Jacek is professional with the radio.
Yeah. I'm trying to mount the frame of a radio other side around, so it's great.
Yes.
Okay.
Probably we will do our best modification to every car, but later on you will know.
You will know what will happen.
So we continued.
It's midnight. So yeah, software is mounted.
You want to see? It's here.
Yeah, it's done. It's good. It's doing a thing where it goes up and down again. Bar is mounted. Thing is mounted.
Console. The radio is here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Long night.
Long night, long day.
Yes.
And we have to remove the front windshield. So this will be like a big thing.
Mushroom is here.
The mushroom. Okay, we can assemble one more thing. You know where this goes?
So see you next day or next month or next year. I am not sure.
Yes. I didn't want to make another episode week by week, as we are still stuck with bodywork. But as you can see, something has been progressed. So new parts are here. Everything inside has been prepared with the chemicals to prevent from rusting. Right now we have this putty here. This is the last time I placed putty, because this is like a third layer of it. I need to sand it down and I can paint it over. So this is the joint, and looks pretty good right now. So once this is done, I will go to the other side and do the same, so it can take like a month or so. And here's Krzysiek.
Hi.
Interior has been all those vents and these brackets. The whole car will need to be all those vents and cleaned up, because it's all.
I think nobody will hear you anyway.
No, they will hear me. We're slowly getting ready to paint the Miata, so we have cleaned it a bit, removed the doors, and right now we are focusing on the details to remove all the plastics from here, and the line of the painting will be this line, so it will go like this around the car. So we'll remove the clips for the soft top as well, remove the windshield, and next steps will be removing all the rust from parts like this. We'll buy the paint and basically paint it. Let's keep moving. So bodywork continues here. Few holes will need to be evened. Putty has been applied on the NA, and right now we try to remove the windshield. It started to go right here. I don't know if you can see it right here. Yeah.
The windshield is gone.
You see this? It's glass. What necessary has been done. Check this out. Naked lady.
Yeah, boy! And he's doing the things.
I need to do a fix for my bumper, because I ram the bonk into Zetka today. And yesterday I almost hit the boards, wheel wide boards that were going through the way. So there's some kind of a curse on me for 2 days.
Okay, so plan for now is we need to prepare the place for painting.
Wsiadaj, już kierował. No chodź tutaj. To może czekaj, to może tam najpierw położymy.
Nie wiem, czy tematy. Nie.
Na posłanie wjechał.
Daj mu to wygodnie.
Painting here, painting there. Philip will be painting, I will be painting. So Mazda is ready almost for the painting. Everything is set up. And right now we need to clean every part and then we are ready to paint the shit out of it. So it look nice. Yeah! Woo! So we'll see you tomorrow. Woo! Yesterday was a catastrophe. Well, the undercoat went very well. After using the base, I haven't thought about one thing, is the pressure. So I used the same settings on the paint gun that I used on the undercoat. Yeah, undercoat and the base. And the undercoat went great, but the base. Oh no.
Oh no, bro!
At first I was like... But after a while I realized that this can be fixed, especially after speaking with my special friend.
我有自己的原则，我不想一辈子让人踩在脚下。
Because of that paint job, it needs to dry. Then you have to go all over the pieces, even the surfaces. You can once again paint it over and try again and hope that it doesn't suck as this.